Hey everyone, welcome to GK Health Passport Channel. Canada is experiencing a massive labor shortage right now. They're opening their doors to skilled workers from all over the world. We're talking thousands of job openings across various industries with easier visa processing and no IELTS exam required. Ready to earn a six-figure salary, access free healthcare, and get on the path to permanent residency? Let's dive in. Why Canada? The Canadian economy is booming with a rapidly aging workforce. This means there's a huge demand for skilled professionals in almost every sector. Canadian employers are willing to pay top dollar, with salaries ranging from $50,000 to over $100,000 per year. Plus, many companies offer fantastic benefits packages. Canada is known for its incredible quality of life, world-class healthcare, and top-notch education system. The stunning natural beauty is a bonus. Canada has a welcoming immigration system that makes it straightforward to obtain permanent residency. In 2025, expect even more job opportunities, faster visa processing times, and relaxed eligibility requirements. It's easier than ever for skilled workers to move to Canada and start living their best life. Let's explore where you can work. Where are these amazing job opportunities? Canada has a strong and diverse economy. Toronto is a global hub for finance, technology, and culture, perfect for software development, data science, finance, or healthcare. Vancouver offers a laid-back vibe, breathtaking scenery, and opportunities in tech, tourism, and hospitality. Atlantic Canada, especially Newfoundland and Labrador, is booming in oil, gas, mining, and fisheries. Alberta has a strong economy with opportunities in energy, agriculture, construction, and transportation. The cost of living in Alberta is generally lower, so your money goes further. No matter where you settle, you'll have access to free healthcare, high-quality education, and a safe environment. Many job opportunities come with the potential for permanent residency in just 1 or 2 years. Let's look at the high-demand jobs for foreign workers. Ready to explore? What specific jobs are in high demand in Canada right now? Let's break it down by industry. Healthcare, huge need for nurses, caregivers, lab technicians, with salaries starting at $60,000 or more per year. Maple Leaf Foods is actively recruiting foreign workers for healthcare roles. IT and software, high demand for software developers, data analysts, cybersecurity experts. Salaries can reach $80,000 or more. Shopify and Google Canada offer visa sponsorships for tech positions. Construction and skilled trades, need for electricians, plumbers, welders, carpenters. Salaries range from $55,000 to $70,000 or more. Magna International Inc. provides opportunities in manufacturing and skilled trades. Transportation and logistics, high demand for truck drivers, with salaries reaching $70,000 or more. TMMC offers positions in logistics and transportation. Hospitality, retail, and manufacturing opportunities in these sectors provide a good standard of living and a pathway to permanent residency. Tim Hortons and Enbridge Inc. hire international workers in various roles. Many of these jobs don't require the IELTS exam. Let's move on to the application process. Ready to apply? Let's go step by step. Here's how to get started. Follow these steps to land your dream job in Canada. How do you actually apply? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility using the Canada Immigration Points Calculator. Step 2. Start searching for job openings on the Government of Canada, Job Bank, Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. Step 3. Apply directly to employers offering visa sponsorship. Step 4. Prepare a Canadian-style resume and cover letter. Step 5. Apply for a work permit and visa once you receive a job offer. Avoid agents who charge exorbitant fees. You can apply for a work permit and visa on your own through the official Government of Canada website. Let's explore the fastest work visa programs without IELTS. Ready to find out more? Let's dive in. Here are the top programs. These programs offer flexibility. No IELTS required. Let's get started. Here's what you need to know. Which visa programs don't require the IELTS exam? Let's dive in. Temporary Foreign Worker Program, TFWP, allows employers to hire foreign workers for temporary labor shortages. Atlantic Immigration Pilot, AIP, attracts skilled workers to the 4 Atlantic provinces. Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, RNIP, attracts skilled workers to smaller communities in rural Canada. Newfoundland and Labrador. Critical Worker Pilot addresses labor shortage in Newfoundland and Labrador. These programs offer fast processing times and no IELTS requirement. Do your research to choose the best program for you. Let's move on to final tips and how to avoid scams. Ready for some final advice? Here are the tips. Let's wrap things up. Before I wrap things up, here are some final tips. Never pay for a job offer. Legitimate companies do not charge applicants for job offers or visa sponsorship. Apply for jobs through official company websites or reputable job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, or the Government of Canada Job Bank. Networking is key. Connect with people in your field who are already working in Canada. Be patient and persistent. Finding a job and moving to a new country takes time and effort. Be prepared to adapt to a new culture. Canada is a multicultural country, but it's important to be respectful of local customs and traditions. By following these tips and doing your research, you'll be well on your way to achieving your dream of living and working in Canada. It's a land of opportunity, and with the right mindset and preparation, you can make it your new home. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts. Ready to take the plunge? Here's what you need to do next. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Start your journey today. Canada is waiting for you. Let's make it happen. So there you have it, guys. Canada is experiencing a once-in-a-generation labor shortage. High salaries, free healthcare, a pathway to permanent residency, and an incredible quality of life await. Canada is making it more accessible than ever for skilled workers to make the move. The opportunity is there, but you have to be willing to seize it. Start researching those job openings, polish up your resume, and get ready to embark on an incredible adventure. Canada is waiting for you.